Hi there, this video was live, extreme Arctic snowy blizzard video, UK 2022,
40 vehicles
weather
were
forecast.
stranded on a hill last night. Coast Guard teams embarked on a 7-hour rescue operation.
Blimey.
And it's these heavy and sudden snow showers that are causing the problems. A Met Office yellow warning for snow and ice covering northern Scotland,
Wow,
northeast and the
this is
west
bad
of
for you
Wales
Scottish
has now been
people.
extended
Minus 11,
until Friday afternoon.
minus 11 Celsius this morning across Edinburgh.
Affected parts of the A9.
BRAEMAR minus 17 Celsius today.
BRAEMAR recorded the coldest UK overnight temperature for a second day.
This is astonishing cold weather.
17.3
Look at that. Wow.
Energy firm SSEN Distribution says it's deploying engineers
This is
from the mainland to
deadly
Shetland
weather,
to help
freezing
restore
deadly
power
weather.
to those affected.
This is Scotland.
Ben Phillip, BBC News.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.
The help is on the way.
Squire and short and sign gems.
You've got some Christmas cards and you're looking at them.
This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo on the ITF Friday Feeling every Friday on the Surrey Hills radio station show at 3 to 5 p.m. an hour long. In digital at 1500 to 1700. Oh, wow.
It's William and Catherine walking with their 3 children, Prince George,
It's lovely.
Princess Charlotte and Prince Louis.
Oh, bless them.
On a sunny day. Apparently that was taken in Norfolk
Summertime.
earlier this year.
Oh.
It's not double denim. I'm reliable.
And this is me on Lara's show on the Woking Radio Station show with John Andrews every Sunday at 9 to 12 p.m. I hope you like this video. Please thumbs up. You Squire, Smash It and Sign Gems. I hope you like this video. Arctic freezing weather and the Royal Family as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and Sign Gems. Bye everyone.